This is the largest waterfall on Earth, 1 kilometer wide, over 100 meters tall, and its local name means the smoke that thunders.
From a distance, it looks like smoke rising from the earth. But as you get closer, the smoke becomes thunder. And for a moment, nature feels bigger than imagination. Victoria Falls is not seen, it is felt. This is not just a waterfall, it is a living wall of water. The Zambezi River suddenly disappears into a giant crack in the land.
For centuries, local tribes called it Mosi-oa-Tunya. They believed a river god lived in the spray, and that its roar was the god's voice.
And the sound is so powerful it can shake the air around you.
In 1855, explorer David Livingstone became the first European to see it. He wrote, "Scenes so lovely must have been gazed upon by angels in their flight."
Every second, millions of liters crash over the edge into the abyss.
But today, climate change threatens Mosi-oa-Tunya. Droughts are getting worse. The roar is becoming quieter.
In the rainy season, the falls become a giant white curtain. In the dry season, the landscape changes completely. What feels eternal is actually changing with the climate. This place is beautiful, but it is never still.